That's bright. Dummy. Don't need to make this stupid video for your stupid friends.
It's not for my friends.
Who's it for?
YouTube.
Hey, all Jada's fans. Yeah? You're stupid. Yeah. You're a fan.
I'm not her fan. I'm her sister's like fan.
You're still a fan. Your YouTube channel sucks, Jada.
It's better than yours.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh no, it broke. Julie, stop.
Oh my god, look at all this powder.
I didn't have to go out to the shed. You didn't even have the fucking proofer out in the shed.
I'm gonna give you something.
Smarties. This video is working by Smarties.
Smarties, those are nerds. Those are nerds.
I them on. Nerds. Just like you.
I'm not a nerd.
So when I raise my hand, my shirt will go up. That shirt on that will go up to here.
Oh no. I can't make the frickin' bro fist. Bro fist.